News in Nairobi.
And demand for adequate personal protective equipment has been a key demand made by striking health workers who are the frontline soldiers combating COVID-19. At least 40 of them have died as a result of contracting the deadly virus, while some companies such as Kitui's Kicotec brought hope for the mass production of the equipment. It appears their hope of providing these crucial equipment have been dashed, as Nicholas Wambua now reports.
A visit to the Kicotec based in Kitui County reveals that only chiefs' uniforms are currently being sewed for the next few days. Before another order is made, they have to sew at least 5,000 pieces. While the announcement that the company will be producing PPEs was met with joy and hope, the capacity developed by Kicotec has not been fully utilized. The company only relies on orders from the national government to produce PPEs. This has not been forthcoming.
We work on orders. The orders we receive are what we stitch. We have so far received so many orders since COVID, and when the COVID numbers declined, the orders also declined.
For now, huge stocks of PPEs are still lying at KEMSA warehouses at a time when the health workers, comprising of clinical officers and nurses, have downed tools because of lack of protective equipment. At least 40 health workers have died of COVID-19 since its outbreak in Kenya.
We have the capacity, we have enough human resource, we have enough machines to supply all the PPEs required in this country and world over.
This is PPE, again, which is of very high quality and which is also Kenya Bureau of Standards certified. We have the certifications, so we know we can make everything.
Kenyans were optimistic that with such institutions as Kicotec that has been established under the devolved government, problems such as lack of PPEs would be a thing of the past. And Governor Charity Ngilu is not amused by this.
KEMSA is an agency that is required to procure PPEs on behalf of the county governments and other hospitals. So mina omba ya kwamba kama KEMSA wanaweza kutupa biashara, tutafanya. Na daktari wetu watakosa PPEs. Kwa sababu kwa sasa nakwambia ukweli, nadhani PPEs mingi zinatoka kwa private industry, zingine zinaletwa from outside the country, and we are talking about local manufacturing.
And we have all the materials that is making all these products. And if you look there, you'll also see the materials that we have there, the PPEs that we have there, and they are all good for our doctors. So we do not want our doctors to suffer because they do not have these products.
It is until the national government gives an order or a request to the Kicotec Kitui County that they will then begin making the PPEs for doctors. Meanwhile, the Kitui County government will be distributing 2 masks to each student in the county after schools reopen come January next year, a plan that will be facilitated through Kicotec. Nicholas Wambua, KTN News in Kitui County.
And that report by Nicholas Wambua brings us to the end of KTN Prime this evening. Before we wrap up, a quick